Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do question number 15 of your textbook. In this question, we will learn accounting effects at the time of issue of redeemable debentures. See, whenever we take loan from any source, we have to pay it back after some time. And we say we have to repay the loan, and technically it is called to redeem the loan. In the same way, company takes loan from the public and we call it that company issued debentures. Company will have to repay this loan to the public as per terms and condition. Then the company pays back to debentures holder. It means the company is going to redeem the debenture. So redemption word is from redeem, means to pay back. You must know that. And all the conditions of issue and redemption are shown in prospectus. So here is the question number 15. Let's start. Write the journal entries only for the issue of debentures from the following transaction without narration. Here, first condition is issued 8,500 9.5% debentures of rupees 100 each at par, redeemable also at par. So here our situation is when debentures are issued at par and redeemable at par. At par means here at rupees 100. So first we will pass journal entry for the issue of debentures when company receives money. So here first entry would be bank account debit 8,50,000, that is 8,500 debentures multiplied by rupees 100. Then debenture application and allotment account will be credited by rupees 8,50,000. Then second and journal entry when this amount will be transferred to debenture account. So here debenture application and allotment account will be debited by rupees 8,50,000 and 9.5% debenture account will be credited by rupees 8,50,000. Now let us see journal entry at the time of redemption of debentures. So here 9.5% debentures account will be debited by rupees 8,50,000 as we are going to redeem it, and debentures holders account will be credited by rupees 8,50,000 as 8,50,000, that is 8,500 debentures multiplied by rupees 100, as it is given in the question that these debentures are redeemable at par. So here we know that debenture holders are creditors for the company. So here debenture holders account will be credited. Debenture holders are creditors, creditors are liabilities. So here it will be credited. Now let us see journal entry when the amount is paid to debenture holders. So here debenture holders who are creditors are now being paid. So here debenture holders are now receiver of the money. So here debentures holder account will be debited as per the rule of personal account, that is 8,50,000, 8,500 multiplied by rupees 100. The company's liability is getting reduced. So here debentures holders account will be debited and bank account will be credited as company is repaying the amount to debenture holders. So here company's bank balance will get reduced. So here bank account will be credited by rupees 8,50,000. Now let us see journal entries in the second situation when the debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at par. So here's the second situation. Debenture issued price of rupees 90 each, redeemable at rupees 100 each. So here first we will write journal entry when the company receives application money. So here bank account will be debited by rupees 8 lakh 55,000, that is 9,500 debentures multiplied by rupees 90. Rupees 90 is face value less amount of discount. Here discount is 10%. So 10% of 100 is rupees 10. So 10 is a amount of discount. So face value less amount of discount, that comes to rupees 90, at which debentures are issued. So here bank account will be debited by rupees 8,55,000 and debenture application and allotment account will be credited by rupees 8,55,000. Now second journal entry, when the amount when the application money will be transferred to debenture account. So here debenture application and allotment account will be debited by rupees 8 lakh 55,000. Then debenture discount account will be debited as it is a loss. It will be debited by rupees 95,000, that is 9,500 debentures multiplied by rupees 10. 10 is the amount of discount per debenture. Then 9.5% debenture account will be credited by rupees 9 lakh 50,000, that is 9,500 debentures multiplied by rupees 100. 100 is the face value. Students, always remember that debenture account will always be debited or credited at its face value. Now let us see journal entry at the time of redemption. Here 9.5% debenture account will be debited by rupees 9,50,000, that is 9,500 debentures multiplied by rupees 100. To debenture holders account, debenture holders are here creditors, so here debenture holders account will be credited. Then as debenture holders are being paid, here it is given that at par. So here debentures holders account will be debited by rupees 9,50,000, that is 9,500 multiplied by rupees 100, and bank account will be credited by rupees 9,50,000 as bank balance is getting reduced. So here bank account will be credited. Now let us see the journal entry when in the third situation, when the debentures are issued at a premium and are redeemable at par. So in the question, in the third situation, it is given that issued 8,000 10% debentures of rupees 200 each at a premium of 10%, redeemable at par. Here premium amount per debenture is rupees 20, that is 10% of rupees 200. So here issue price is rupees 220. So here first journal entry will be bank account will be debited. Here company is receiving the amount. So here bank account will be debited by rupees 17 lakh 60,000, that is 8,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 220, that is face value plus premium amount, that is 100 plus that is 200 per debenture amount per debenture plus rupees 20, that is premium amount per debenture. So 200 plus 20, that comes to rupees 220. So here 8,000 multiplied by rupees 220, that comes to 17 lakh 60,000. So here bank account will be debited by rupees 17 lakh 60,000 and debenture application and allotment account will be credited by rupees 17 lakh 60,000. Now let us see journal entry on transfer of this money to debenture account and securities premium reserve account. So here debenture application and allotment account will be debited by rupees 17 lakh 60,000 and 10% debenture account will be credited by rupees 16 lakh, that is 8,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 200, that is the face value of debenture. Then security premium reserve account will be credited. It is capital profit for the company. It will be credited by rupees 1 lakh 60,000, that is 8,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 20. Rupees 20 is the premium amount per debenture, that is premium received at the time of issue of debentures, that is 1 lakh 60,000. Now let us see the third journal entry at the time of redemption of debentures. So here 10% debenture account will be debited by rupees 16 lakh, that is 8,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 200, as these debentures are redeemable at par. So here 8,000 debentures will be multiplied by rupees 200, that is the face value. Then journal entry, fourth journal entry, when the amount of are paid to debenture holders, or we can say that journal entry on payment to debenture holders. Here debenture holders account will be debited as they are the receiver of the money. So here debenture holders account will be debited, or we can say that here debenture holders who are the creditors or liabilities to the company. So here liabilities of the company is getting reduced as debenture holders are being paid their amount. So here debenture holders account will be debited by rupees 16 lakh, 8,000 multiplied by rupees 200, and bank balance is getting reduced. So here bank account will be credited. So here this question is completed. That's all for today. Thank you very much.